Hi, Chris Saunders here, Integrated Communications, creators of the ELD in a box. I got a question for you. Are you pissed off that you just did an ELD application update and now you got to do it again? I mean, you barely made it out of the catastrophe, the perfect storm that resulted the last time that you had to do it. And you know that you're the one who's got to do it. Edna ain't gonna do it. Rusty can barely use his iPhone, so it's on you. So what are you gonna do? Are you gonna schedule the drivers to come in one by one and hand you the tablet? And you do that same thing that you just did last month that took you like 20 hours to do? No, you're not gonna do that. You know what you're gonna do? You're gonna call me, Chris Saunders, at Integrated Communications, and we are going to manage your ELD tablets for you. And you don't have to worry about the updates, because the updates are gonna happen. It's how they're handled that makes all the difference, and we can handle them so you don't have to.